I hear something. What sound is that? Let's listen carefully together. Can you listen with us? Listen. The owl says, "Who? Who?" Can you say who? I hear another sound. The frog says, "Ribbit, ribbit." Can you say ribbit? I hear chirping. The bird says chirp, chirp.
Can you chirp like a bird?
I hear tiny chirps. The cricket says chirp, chirp.
Can you make a tiny chirp sound?
Oh, who's in the tree? The squirrel says squeak. Can you squeak? Owl says hoo, 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 hoo. Can you say hoo, hoo, too? Frog says ribbit, ribbit, when jump and say it with it. Bird says chirp, 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 chirp. Sing it high and chirp, chirp, chirp. Cricket chirps so small, sir. Can you hear the call? Squirrel squeaks in the tree. Say the sounds with me. Animal sounds everywhere. In Spriggle Grove we listen and share.